What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas Mastercraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we're going to walk through a 2023 Mastercraft NXT24. This boat here is in a great colorway. We have the gray, white with the black accents on the back. Awesome two-tone interior as well. So let's hop inside and check it out. So inside here in the cockpit, we'll see we have the two-tone cool feel interior. Nice accents to match up with the sea deck around and on the floor. We have the Z6 tower, easy to use. Have latches on either side, folds right down. Then up top, you'll see we have the dual speakers up top, clips. And the new bimini for 2023 is awesome. We have the surf sleeves underneath, but we added two more on top as well. So you have plenty of board storage here in addition to the clamping board racks. So you, all your friends can bring the boards and have plenty of room for them. So up here in the bow of the boat, this is a pickle fork boat, so you get a little extra beam up here, so you can fit two up here comfortably. Also have storage underneath everything, so you can throw some towels up here, some bags, whatever you need. Plenty of storage for y'all. So up here at the helm of the boat, you'll see on the left side, we do have our clip head unit. Bluetooth capable, connect your phone, you have music going all the way through. On the right side is gonna be our digital screen. This is gonna be where you're controlling your cruise control as well as your SurfStar system through there. Very simple to use, couple buttons, press it, get the presets loaded up. You guys are out there surfing. Up top, you have your analog dials for speed, RPM, fuel, and battery level, as well as your rocker switches for all your bilges and lights. Thank you guys for checking out this NXT24 with me today. This maybe isn't the right boat for you. We have other trim lines from Mastercraft, but also other great manufacturers like Sea Ray, Crest Pontoons, Premier Pontoon, Aviara. Whatever it is that you're looking for, we have it for you guys. While you guys are looking, hop on to MarineMax.com. You can see all of our in-stock boats as well as other great features from buying from MarineMax, whether that's in-house financing, our awesome pro shop, or getaways. Check it out. If you guys have any more questions, go ahead and contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.